Shark S7201 Steam and Scrub, a powerful hard floor cleaning solution. Keeping hard floors spotless has never been easier than with the Shark S7201 Steam and Scrub. Designed with advanced steam blaster technology and rotating scrub pads, this all-in-one steam mop offers a deep clean that eliminates up to 3 times more stuck-on stains compared to traditional steam mops. The Shark S7201 features 3 steam modes: light for quick touch UPS, normal for everyday cleaning, and deep for tougher messes, making it versatile for all cleaning needs. Its chemical-free sanitization kills 99.9% of bacteria, ensuring a safe environment for your family and pets. Additionally, the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris, so you never miss a spot. Ease of use is a standout feature. Weighing only 7.9 pounds, this mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The rotating pads deliver over 150 scrubs per minute, practically gliding across floors and making cleaning effortless. The automatic shut-off when placed upright adds to its convenience and safety. The Shark S7201 is compatible with all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, marble, tile, and vinyl. It comes with 4 washable dirt grip soft scrub pads, reducing the need for disposable cleaning products. Pros: powerful steam and scrubbing action for deep cleaning. Chemical-free sanitization is safe for kids and pets. Versatile steam modes for various cleaning tasks. Lightweight and easy to use with self-propelling pads. LED headlights reveal hidden dirt. Cons: higher steam settings may cause minor streaking. Cleaning pads require regular washing. The Shark S7201 Steam and Scrub is a top-tier steam mop for those looking to simplify their cleaning routine without compromising on performance. With its innovative features and ease of use, it's an excellent investment for maintaining clean and sanitized floors. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.